here I'm going to demo the use of bitwise operator. Okay, bitwise operators are bitwise AND, OR, and bitwise NOT, and bitwise XOR. Okay, and right shift and left shift. Okay, if you have learned digital electronics, I hope you are familiar with AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, NOT gate. Bitwise operator do the same thing. Okay, for example, here I have A equal to and B equal to 9, so its internal bits will be so this is the value for 7 and this is the value for 9. Okay, in binary number system, if you are using AND, it will compare 1 with 1, 1 and 1, it will be 1. Okay, then this 1 and 0, the output will be 0, 1 and 0, the output will be 0, 0 and 1, the output will be 0. So the output of AND operation will be 0, 0, 1. If you are using OR, either of this is, either this side is 1 or this side is 1, will get output as true, that is 1. So we'll get, if you are using OR, 1, because 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, both are 1, in that case also it is 1. And if you are using XOR, either of this side should be 1, both side should not be 1. That means here 0, 1, yes, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, it is 0. Okay, and NOT means, that means not A. If you provide something like not A, means what will happen? So this is the value of A, right? So it will negate 0 to 1, 1 to 0, that it becomes 1, 0, 1 to 0, right? So it will become 1, 0, 0. That is the use of NOT. Okay, and if you use shift operator, consider that here we have a binary number, something like 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, consider that A value is this thing. Okay, value of variable A is this particular binary number. Okay, so we can do something like A right shift operator 2. That means this particular 1 becomes here, then here, so this particular 0 will be moved out. Okay, so the value will be, okay, if you do left shift, what will happen? So this particular, this bytes will be moved towards the left. That means it will become so 2 more. So here we are shifting, right? So here we have to add 2 more zeros. Okay, so this is left shift, this is right shift. Okay, so these are the binary or bitwise operator in Python. Okay, I hope you got some idea. I'm opening the Python shell, and here A equal to 7. That means if you want to know what is the binary value, we can use bin function. Bin A means we'll get, so this is the, if you provide bin A, we'll get what is the binary value for that particular number. Okay, B equal to 9. Okay, so here bin B means this is 1001, right? So this is the, then A and B means we'll get 1. So that is what we got here, right? When we do the AND 0, 0, 0, 1, right? okay, and while doing OR we'll get 1 1 1 1, right? So that is for 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 14 15, this is the 15, right? Okay, so we'll see, and A or B will be 15, okay. A XOR B will be 14. So that means if you provide if you use bin, maybe like X equal to A XOR B bin X, so this is what we got while we did the computation, right, earlier. Now these are AND or XOR. Now X equal to not A means bin X, so here bin A means, so here it was 0 0 1, so it got converted to 1 0 0 is the value, right? It is negating the values, okay. Now shift, here we have so here we have used right shift, so in this particular the bits move towards right, so by one position, so this bit will go out and only this particular 1 1 will be there, so that's why we got the value 3, okay. And A left shift 1 means the bits will be, this particular bits will be moved one position left, so that's why we get value like 1 1 1 0 in the binary format, okay. So that is 14, okay. So these are the binary or bitwise operator in. I hope you got some idea. Thanks for watching this.